hello and welcome to the easy installation of Neamen Lyles Boombox. With a couple of quick steps, we'll have you up and running into an exciting new chapter of musical performance and expression. With no further ado, let's get to it. Step 1. Purchase NL Boombox from our website, boomboxgo.com, and download the program. Next, head over to the App Store where you will purchase and install Mainstage. NL Boombox supports Mainstage 3.4.3 or higher, so make sure you have a recent version of that program. We recommend that you install Garageband, which is a free program from the App Store, so that you can have complete access to more sample libraries. Garageband installation is not required, but it will make things a lot easier. Now that you have Mainstage and Garageband installed, open Finder, look in the Downloads folder, and double-click nlboombox.pkg to install our software. If macOS prevents you from installing the program, you will need to take the following steps. Click the Applications folder in the Finder window, scroll down to System Preferences, click Security and Privacy in the pop-up window. In the General tab, look for the button labeled Open Anyway and click it. Run the automated installer and install NL Boombox. Be sure to read the license agreement. Since NL Boombox doesn't require any other software other than Mainstage, we must download the sound libraries in Mainstage to get the needed samples and virtual instruments. Go to the Spotlight and type in Mainstage. Go ahead and grab the Mainstage folder and drag it into Favorites so that you can easily access your Mainstage folder whenever you want.
Click the Mainstage folder in the Finder window, and then
click on the NL Boombox folder. Now click NL Boombox to open the program. If you get a dialog box saying that the program will cause latency, just hit Do Not Show This Warning Again and click Ignore. If you get a warning about missing samples, ignore that as well because we are going to install the missing samples right now. Scroll up to the program menu at the top. Click Mainstage. Sound Library. Download all available sounds. The sound library is quite large, so be prepared to wait. This is going to take a while. Congratulations, you now have Mainstage and NL Boombox installed and ready to go. If you want to download additional samples, you can also download the Garageband sound library as well. If you choose not to download the Garageband sound library, you may have to download a few additional samples as you go along. We recommend that you just download the Garageband sound library now so that you don't end up on a gig missing any samples and needing to download them later. Alright, well let me show you how. Click the Applications folder again. Scroll over to Garageband to open it. Scroll up to the Garageband file menu, hit Garageband, then click Sound Library, download all available sounds. Again, if you get any warnings, just ignore them. You now have all the samples installed. This is going to be good. Now, head over to the next video and we'll show you how to set up your wind controller with Mainstage.